is a spectacular day, and we don't say that very often, but
We sure
today,
don't, not in the summer.
right? Today and tomorrow, dry air in place, all because of a big area of high pressure off to our north. I'm going to take you right into that. It's really centered over the Great Lakes, but that area of high pressure will continue to sort of expand into a large part of the U.S., including most of the state of Georgia, right where I'm standing. So now I'm going to show you what we call the water vapor imagery, and this shows the measure of moisture in the atmosphere. Now, where you're going to see the whites and even those blues and purples, that's moisture, lots of moisture in many areas. But where we are in the Carolinas, as well as really most all of Georgia, there's lots of dry air in place, and that's coming in with those light northerly winds around that clockwise flow up to the north where you see the big blue H. So that clockwise wind flow bringing in that dry air from the north, and that will lead to low humidity, certainly no rain as we head into the next 2 days, but then there's some big changes on the way. Let me show you what we're tracking out there as we talk about the first day of school for 3 area counties, Lamar, Jackson, and Franklin counties. Today, a spectacular day for the kids at the bus stop. No need for the rain gear, and temperatures are going to be warming up, but close to where they should be. We're not talking about feels like temperatures in the triple digits. Remember, just a couple of days back, it felt like 110 degrees. Today, feeling close to the actual air temperature, which will be 92 degrees for today. So a warm day, but plenty of sunshine for the kiddos to enjoy out at the bus stop. Dry air continuing to build in. There's futurecast not showing any rain, as sun will be the big factor out there. Lots of sunshine helping to heat us up a bit. Notice no rain chances for today and tomorrow, but just in time for the weekend, that all changes as we bump those rain chances right back up. Now, taking you right into North Georgia here, and we show you those temperatures going into the afternoon today. Highs only 2 degrees above where we should be. A high of 92 in Atlanta today. Our average high is 90, so we'll certainly take that. But here is your 7-day forecast. And again, enjoy the next 2 days. We have a next weather alert for Saturday and Sunday, not because of a big severe risk, but because we are going to be tracking some increased rain chances, but dry for Thursday and for Friday. Notice those rain chances throughout the weekend and a good bit of next week.